Hi people, there's Nettie. Okay, I am so surprised. Look at this. Look at all the flowers it has. Right there, down here. Let me see if you can see it right there. It's already becoming a fruit. Um, where else? I have a few of them. Oh, here. There's another one becoming a fruit. There's another one back here. Right, I don't know if you can see it right there. There's another one becoming a fruit. There's this one up here is becoming a fruit. I don't know if that one's gonna give. I see it like kind of too yellowish. But look at this one down here. Look how beautiful. That means I'm gonna have enough not only to eat but to share with my family and friends. Ah, yes. And we got more flowers down here. And it's just all full of flowers. All full of flowers right there. And it has little ones coming out, like you can see right here. There's baby ones coming out. There's baby ones over here, right there in between the two, that thing. And back there, there's some that I can't reach. So I'm very happy I changed it. All I did was put it in here. What I noticed it was that I had peat moss, a lot of peat moss, no dirt. And I always thought that peat moss is like for, how you call it, plants that is dry, needs to be dried, or babies when you put in seeds. And then you have to change it to something that gives them vitamins and proteins and all that. Not vitamins and proteins, nutrients. I gotta change that, nutrients. So okay, so I'm giving a lot of nutrients, and it is beautiful. It's even growing from down here. They're growing another leaf coming out of this way. Let me see if you see my finger right there. So I'm not gonna let this go too high, like I did the other one that it was flying all the way out there and this and that. I'm gonna start cutting this one later on. I gotta see where I could cut it where it doesn't keep going that way. And this one, I'm gonna let it. This side, I'm gonna let it grow a little more, and because I could tie it right here from the rail, and it's not gonna move nowhere. But I'm happy. I'm happy with what's going on and how they are growing. Now, when they give the bulb, I'm gonna have to put a little bit of neem on it. Why? Because the birds tends to scratch on it. If a rat gets around, they'll scratch on it, and I want to make sure nobody touches it. I think I did that with the other one because they killed one of mine. They chewed it up, and the other one I put neem. They didn't touch that one, so that's what I'm gonna do. As soon as I see the bulb, like this one, when it starts coming out the bulb, I'm gonna put neem around it. Then of course I wash it good before I cook it. And the last thing I want to show you is this. Look how ugly. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me pull it down. It's much easier. Okay. I don't know what's going on with this plant. Wait, I don't want to hurt my babies. Okay. Look how ugly they're coming. I'm gonna cut them out. They're not growing good. Now, I call it the ones back here is another plant. This is another plant. This one looks pretty. I think they might give. This one, I don't know what's wrong with it, but I didn't. I call it. This is not really mine. I bought this, and apparently this side is. They give leaves, but their fruit it sucks. From what YouTube told me, the gardeners in YouTube, that they need more nutrients. So I did put nutrient, plenty of it right there. They don't hurt the because it's organic. This thing that I put those dots, and these are my plant, the ones that I grew from seeds. They're growing pretty nice, so I hope they grow pretty big, and then I'll just replant it to a bigger place. So saying, and the last thing but not least, okay, the last thing but not least is my tomato plant right here. Look, if you see, I don't know if you can see it because the sun is like, okay, right there, I think you can see it. is giving tomatoes. It's gonna throw the flowers. I hope it works, but because I have it in this little small can pot, what I want to do is take this, and I'm gonna show you where I want to put it at. Okay, I want to take this out. I'm planning to do this today, since I'm gonna do easy cooking today. I'm gonna take this out. I want to take the canister in the bottom, take all the dirt that is in there, and throw this out because it's broken. I got a new table that I will put over here, and I could put the, how you call it, the tomatoes. I could put it here because in the afternoon it gets super sun. I will move this one over there and try to get the tomato over here so it could get all the sun it needs, and I could tie it. You might, I don't know if out in the States they wonder what the heck is this, that on the doorways you got gates. Yeah, we got gates, and it's fun. And over here it's not dangerous. It's just that people tend to put gates just in case it gets dangerous, and it's very hard for them to break it because it has like this thing right here, it holds it. So I feel more secure, when most of the time I'm alone, and I feel more secure this way, because I'm really locked up. The windows are not glass, they are metal, so it's a very secure place. Plus we live with the family, all you gotta do is scream and everybody runs. So saying this, God bless you all, and I'll be back when I finish doing this. I'll show you how I do it because I can't do it with the camera, but you're gonna see the difference. As you see now, you're gonna see the difference. So God bless you all. Until next time, bye bye.